Let's start off by making slits on the fish using a sharp knife. I have used 3 mackerel fish. The recipe is pretty simple and is a Mangalorean recipe. This fish is known as Bangda in Konkani and Tulu, Bangda in Kannada. It is a nutritious fish and is an excellent source of proteins, omega-3 fatty acids, and numerous important vitamins and minerals. Let's make the marinade now. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, a tablespoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder and corn flour, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I have used homemade ginger garlic paste. Finally, add around 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This is diluted vinegar. Now mix all of the ingredients. Again, add around 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So in total, I have used 4 tablespoons, but I've just not added it at the same time. Continue mixing it. The consistency should be like this. It should be thick and not runny. Apply a generous amount of the masala onto the fish. Fill it in the slits. And also inside the fish. Make sure the marinade is coated properly onto the fish. Let it sit aside for at least half an hour. If you're planning to fry the fish after a few hours or the next day, then refrigerate it. Now add some oil into the pan for frying the fish. Add enough oil for shallow frying the fish. Spread it across the pan. Once the oil becomes smoky hot, lower the flame and gently place the fish in the pan. Be careful as the oil will splutter. Make sure not to disturb the fish for a few minutes once it hits the pan. This will ensure the masala remains stuck to the fish while frying. Cook the fish for 3 to 4 minutes on each side till golden brown on a medium-low flame, taking care not to break the skin while flipping. Now remove the fish and place them over a kitchen paper so it absorbs the excess oil. You can sprinkle some lime juice and enjoy the tasty and crispy mackerel fish fry recipe.